5 Rose Water Benefits. Number 1. Spritz Away. A great way to use rose water is by spritzing it on your face. Rose water can also be sprayed over makeup to work as a makeup setting product. The mist will leave your face radiant. Fill an empty spray bottle with rose water and spritz once you're done with your morning beauty routine to keep your face fresh and hydrated. Number 2. Dry and frizzy hair. Mix equal parts rose water and glycerin, apply on the scalp with the help of cotton pads and massage for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it stay for another 30 minutes and wash off with shampoo. Number 3. Makeup Remover. Tried and tested, this is the best makeup remover ever. Add a few drops of coconut oil to rose water on a cotton pad and cleanse your face. The mixture works wonders to wipe off makeup and nourish your skin deeply at the same time. Number 4. Fair and Lovely. Add 2 tablespoons gram flour and mix it with rose water plus lemon juice to make a smooth paste. Apply for 15 minutes to get rid of tanning. Number 5. Pamper Yourself. Mix rose water with almond oil or regular cream and moisturize your body. For some extra indulgence, draw yourself a rose-scented bath. It's considered the best antidote to stress, recommends skincare expert. Thanks for watching.